Do you want to have veined hands? Stretch your hands easily in less than 2 minutes with these exercises. Open and close your hands. It is better to do this exercise a little faster. This exercise is very easy but important, and it is very effective. In strengthening the hands, 15 seconds is enough. Like me, put your hands together and squeeze. Do this for 15 seconds with sets of 5 to 10 seconds. You can help me a lot by liking the video. Thank you for your like. Grasp your opposite wrist with one hand. And then rotate your wrist like I did. Please pay attention to my exercise and then do it. So easily. Hold for 15 seconds. This exercise is very similar to riding a motorcycle. Very cool exercise. This exercise should be done for 15 seconds like the rest of the movements. Let's go to the last step. Rest your hand like me and see the result. Thank you for giving me energy by liking. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel.